Hey guys, welcome to the Rush Truck flat pack assembly videos. This one is part one of assembling the jig table. So we've just laid it all out once we've collected our flat pack, and we'll show you how to put it all together. So each of these plates come with little dovetail fittings, and that keeps everything perfectly square. And it's all pretty self-explanatory where it goes. This side plate, when you lay it in, it has the triangle here and then one notch up here. Make sure that notch is pointing forward. That locates your floor. They're a mirror image, these plates, so they can go left or right. But make sure that little piece there is pointing forward. You can see this piece here is pointing forward. Dovetail fits in this back piece. We'll square it all up once you put it in. Helps with a nice flat concrete floor just to get everything straight. But then we've got a frame that comes with your pack, and that's going to go on top now. So we're building it upside down, and then once we've tacked all these bars in, all this RHS right on the edge there, all perfectly cut. That's going to strengthen everything up and square it up. Right on the edge. And this is important. You get this right and get it straight, and the rest of the truck's going to go together perfect. This little strengthening plate in the middle, it goes across that middle plate there for a bit of strength. This one's going to go up where the front end is. This is the front end here, which is another jig plate to go in the middle there. That'll keep it all square. And you've got little wings out the side. And then the legs. These legs, just to get it up off the floor, about knee height, it works out to. And it helps when you're putting it together. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. This helps out when you're putting the roof on. When you get to you do the floor, the hip rails and the roof, and this is a great height to keep working on it. There you have it. It's pretty cruisy, pretty easy. We'll get the welder, we'll tackle this up, we'll flip it upside down, and then we've got little pieces to click into those little notches there for all your tube, and that'll be in part two.